Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can find hidden number on Facebook profiles. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully. So let's open up the Facebook app. Here let's tap on friends and let's choose someone randomly. Now here you can see if I scroll down and I tap on see Ali's about info. So here I will not be able to see his number. So because this person has set it his privacy to only me maybe or to some of the friends, right? So all I have to do is go to Messenger and here you can text that person that to send you a number for a specific purpose or something. So this is the one way to get the number, and let me show you another one. If I go to my profile and scroll a little down, and here if I see my friends and let's choose randomly someone, and here you can see if I tap on sees Manahil's about info. So here I would not be able to see Manahil's number. Why? Because Manahil set the privacy to show her number to only her. So guys, we cannot be able to see someone's number if they have set it the privacy to only friends or to only me. But there is a scenario if that person set the privacy to friends, simply just add them as a friend and you will be able to see their number. So hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.